Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to use the YNAB app. First, you'll learn the core principle of giving every dollar a job, which is fundamental to YNAB budgeting success. We'll then walk through connecting your bank accounts, ensuring your financial data is securely linked for seamless transaction imports. Finally, I'll guide you on setting up your initial budget categories, tailoring them to your unique spending habits and financial goals right from the start. Once your accounts are linked, it's time to build your budget. You'll allocate specific amounts of money to each category, ensuring every dollar has a purpose before you spend it. Remember to prioritize your essential expenses, like housing and food, before moving on to discretionary spending. YNAB encourages flexibility, so don't hesitate to adjust your budget categories as your financial situation or priorities change during the month. Keeping your budget accurate means actively managing your transactions. As money comes in and goes out, make sure to categorize each transaction promptly within the app. This helps you see exactly where your money is going. Regularly reconciling your accounts is also crucial. It ensures that YNAB balances perfectly match your bank's records. Don't forget to utilize the Goals feature to set and track progress towards specific savings targets, like a down payment or a vacation. Beyond the basics, YNAB offers powerful features to enhance your financial management. Take advantage of scheduled transactions to plan for recurring bills and income, ensuring you're always prepared. You can also use tracking accounts for assets like investments or loans that aren't part of your immediate budget, giving you a complete financial overview. For those who love to read, check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. It's a fantastic way to enjoy your favorite books anywhere.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.